If you love cooking, with MyNetDiary's recipe import tool, you can load your favorite recipes into the app easily, with all ingredients and cooking directions. The app will calculate accurate recipe nutrition information and even allow you to tweak the recipes to your taste to make them healthier. While in MyNetDiary, you can always create a recipe from a blank slate by looking up and entering all ingredients. This could be done much faster with the recipe import tool, in just a few taps. To import a recipe from a recipe website, go to the Me tab in the MyNetDiary app and tap Recipe Import. You can browse a list of popular recipe websites built into MyNetDiary, or enter or paste the recipe link you want to import. MyNetDiary can also import recipes from a recipe app you may have on your phone, provided the recipe app has share functionality. Once you tap Share in your recipe app, you should see MyNetDiary Recipe Import in the list of share destinations. If you do not see MyNetDiary in the list, you will need to add it via the Edit Actions button. Make sure by switching between the tabs that all ingredients and directions are loaded. If something is not loaded or is not right, you can paste text from the recipe webpage or edit text to correct them. The next step will match recipe ingredients with foods in MyNetDiary. Original recipe ingredients will be saved too to preserve important preparation instructions. You can edit any matches, replace, or add more foods from MyNetDiary's food database. Finally, review other recipe information, such as recipe name, weight, serving information, and directions, and tap Finish. Your recipe has been successfully imported and can be found under Recipes in My Foods. Check out Recipe Import Help and our blog article in MyNetDiary Library for more details and tips.